Hello and greetings. In this video, I will show you on how to download and install the RBR Ruskin software for the RBR Solo product. In this software, you can go to this link up here, which is the HTTP RBR Solography here. Once you've done that, you need to go to down here, download Ruskin for PC 64-bit, and then wait for a moment and download until all the connection has been successfully downloaded. Once downloaded, sometimes it will give you this kind of warning. What you can do is open this setting here and then select keep. Press the down setting more. Once you open this, select keep. Report this app as safe. Once completed, you can just open the file here or access the browser here, and you'll see that the Ruskin x64exe is done here as well. Just double click on this, and then the prop up for the setup will be come up here. Next, just press next, and then you press I agree from the screen, and then you will have the type of installation here. It will be full. I will suggest that you install full. Make sure that you have a 1 GB of storage standby. Press next and install. Give it about 30 seconds for it to install, and then you can use the Ruskin app like a normal use. There's no need for that presetting for the configuration or any kind of data, since this app is very direct and simple. Once completed, it will tell you to install this software. Just press install to complete the data, and then you press finish. Once you press finish, go to the app located in your desktop, the RBR Solo. Once completed, you can just type here Ruskin app. Open the app. Give it about like 1 minute for it to launching, because it will take some time for it to actually initialize. Once you've done this, all you have to do next is just connect to your instrument via USB cable, and we'll show all the ports here. So that's all from me. Thank you.